Morning，欢迎回到 Parrot， 我是 Gabriel。This is another episode of Morning Parrot Freefly in the Philippines. And today our target is still C5 the tent. 我们今天的目标呢，还是 C5 the tent. Driving from my place. 大概离我住的地方有25公里吧。It's been raining in the Philippines for a long time, most recently. Almost literally every day. Because of the typhoon, one by one. 基本上每天都要下，偶尔能赶上一个晴天，就赶紧出门。卢比，哎，你来 ，No 吧，卢比。Okay, let's go. 27 minutes. Let's go. Here we are, C5 the tent. A little bit early. Oh, I'm pretty noisy. It's a good morning. There's a little bit fog, but it'll get clear later. Although it's a little bit smiley because of the stinky river, but still, it's a good view. And also the other side, this side is not far away from the airport.
Magic one on your GPS.
Luffy! Don't bite me. Okay. Noah is pretty happy. Good, Noah.
Willow.
It's the female umbrella Willow.
Yes, Willow.
That's the problem of cockatoo. Most of the time, they really don't care. Oh, good. I know. You're a good one.
Yes. That's the expert.
Yeah, for the Amazon. That's the first pair of Amazon I've seen here.
Walang problema sa iba, no?
Yeah, can do free fly.
This Amazon is very, very...
Yeah, it's very good. Let's say it's the first pair because
First Amazon.
Mambia has two, right? None of them can fly. Yeah, I know.
Only for petting dogs.
Yeah, yes.
But the Amazon is very, very good.
Yes, it is. Noah is leading, Luffy is following. See? You're good, flying together. Noah is flying really, really happy. I can see that. Oh. Let's take a look who's here. Can you see that? Luffy is 690 meters away from me. I think he's landed on the light pole again. I'm gonna go and check him out. He's 580 meters away from me. I'm still moving to his direction. Let's see where it is. This direction. And he's not moving. I think he's on the light pole, one of the light pole over there. That's the place he always like. Okay, now I can see Luffy on the light pole, as he always do. 1, 2, 3, third one. Most of the time, he's just standing there for a long time, for like 1 hour, and then he will come back. Hey, don't bite. Ah! Let's go back, ah. Luffy, the African Grey. It's good. Just always bite. Small bite, always. Like all the time. Luffy. Ayah. He's flying well. She's flying well. She likes it here.
Dito yan. Charlie! Papalan?
Oh, landed. And the new buffon.
Yeah.
4 months old Bufong, or approximately 4 months old, right? Oh, he's full. He's full, really full.
Yeah.
I hope he can fly in 2 months, I guess.
Yeah. Hopefully.
We'll see. Okay, it's becoming hotter and hotter. We're about to go home. So next time it's Saturday, we're gonna have a really big event. With I guess more than 100 people, maybe probably 300, 500 birds. Just follow or subscribe and leave your comment below. Let me know your thoughts. So see you next time.